The Doogee Blade GT smartphone released in 2025. It is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7050 chipset, 12 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of internal storage. The Doogee Blade GT arrived in the market with the Android OS version 14.0 pre-installed, providing users with a solid foundation of features and capabilities. The IPS display of the Blade GT provides wide viewing angles, allowing you to enjoy content from various positions. The Blade GT features a multi-camera setup that is designed to deliver exceptional photography capabilities. The weight of 260 g adds to the overall solid feel and substantial presence of the phone. The Doogee offers an extensive array of color options to cater to individual preferences. The Blade GT phone is designed to work with nano SIM cards. The Blade GT comes pre-installed with the Android OS version 14.0. Android features a user-friendly interface that provides users with a touch-based interaction experience. Powering the Blade GT's performance is the MediaTek Dimensity 7050 chipset, providing the necessary processing power. The Blade GT harnesses the power of its robust octa-core CPU to deliver exceptional processing capabilities. The Mali G68 MC4 GPU is a family of graphics processing units developed by ARM Holdings, widely used in various mobile devices, including smartphones and tablets. The Antutu app serves as a reliable tool to assess overall processing performance on Android devices. Screen size is measured in inches, diagonally from corner to corner. The 6.72-inch size offers an expansive display that provides an immersive and engaging visual experience. The Blade GT features a display resolution of 1080 by 2400 px. The Blade GT's substantial 12 gigabytes of RAM allocation reflects a thoughtful consideration of users' requirements. Having a higher amount of RAM in a smartphone translates to improved performance and multitasking prowess. Enjoy the convenience of a spacious 256 gigabytes of internal storage on the Blade GT, allowing you to store and access a vast library of music and games. With the Blade GT's expandable storage option, you have the flexibility to add a micro SD card and enhance the internal storage capacity. The Blade GT smartphone features a versatile rear camera arrangement, enabling you to capture professional-grade photos and videos with ease. Autofocus is a camera feature that fine-tunes the focus of the camera. It is a nice feature of this smartphone, with a built-in LED flash located on the back. The Blade GT allows users to capture stunning photos with enhanced brightness and detail, featuring a front-facing camera. The Blade GT allows users to effortlessly take selfies and participate in video calls. The LiPo 5500 mAh non-removable battery gives the smartphone a good battery backup. LiPo batteries have undergone advancements in safety features, including built-in protection circuits.